So you have a service-based business, but no matter how much you love what you do, it feels like there's not enough time in the day for you to take on more clients, grow your income, or even take a well-deserved break. Something that you have been praying for so long and you know you so deserve. Well, you're not alone. Many freelancers and entrepreneurs hit this wall and they wonder, is this really sustainable long term? Well, what if I told you that there's a way for you to grow your business without working more hours? A way to also multiply your income and impact at the same time. The answer? Online courses. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how online courses can help you scale your service-based business so you can stop trading all your time for money and start building something that works for you even while you rest.
Nice.
So let's dive in. But first, hi friends, I'm Myrra Kate. I'm an online course creator and strategist, kingdom-driven entrepreneur, and author who is passionate about helping you turn your God-given expertise and skills into profitable and transformational online courses so you can multiply your income and impact. If you would love to learn about all these things about course creation, kingdom entrepreneurship, and faith-based personal development, then I would love for you to hit the subscribe button below so you won't miss out on our weekly videos. Service-based businesses, whether you're a virtual assistant, social media manager, project manager, copywriter, coach, or any kind of expert, are amazing. They allow you to make an income by directly helping people with your skills and passions. But here's the challenge. You only have so many hours in a day. So if you want to scale, you can't just keep adding more and more and more clients without hitting burnout.
More money, more money!
And so that's where online courses come in. Now, I know there are many ways for you to scale your service-based businesses, and online courses is only one of them. But I would love to focus on online courses in this video. So let's break down the biggest reasons why adding an online course to your business can be a game changer.
Let's go!
Number one, it creates an evergreen income stream. The bulk of the work in creating online courses are usually in the beginning. But once you have created that course, you can sell it over and over and over again. Now, don't get me wrong.
Here I come.
Courses are not 100% passive. You'll still need to promote them, update them, and continuously serve your students inside the course. But the beauty in it is that sales can come in at any time.
More money, more money!
Giving you more financial stability without working more hours. So yes, that means that you can receive sales notifications in your emails even when you're in vacation, spending time with your kids or your family, or even when you're just sleeping. Number two, it increases your credibility and authority. Having a course positions you as an expert. If your potential clients look in your website or your online platforms and see that you're teaching other people about what you do and helping them get results, then they'll be even more confident in hiring you for your premium services. Number three, it opens doors to more opportunities. Once your course gains traction, opportunities can start coming your way, and they're literally limitless.
Thank you.
You know, things like speaking engagements, podcast features, collaborations, and even affiliate marketing. Because you might not realize it right now, but you can actually include affiliate links inside your course to earn extra income from the tools and resources that you are already using in your business. And number four, it multiplies your impact. one of the best parts, your course can help so many people beyond your one-on-one clients. If say that you can only serve around 10 clients a month just for you to be able to serve your clients with quality and actually deliver your outputs. With courses, you can enroll hundreds and even thousands of people.
Oh my god!
You could be the reason that someone learns a skill that changes their lives. And don't worry about competition. There's always someone out there who needs what you have to offer. And really, the most successful entrepreneurs aren't really scared of competition. You know, I have a friend who's a funnel designer, and just last year, she reached out to me for help in creating her online course. She had been working one-on-one with clients for years, and she thought that if she really wanted not hit a ceiling and be able to scale her business, that she should have an online course so that she can help more people without burning out. So I guided her through the process and she launched her course. And guess what? That course is now one of the biggest sources of income in her business. But what's even more amazing, it changed her life. But even beyond that, it's now creating opportunities for others. Some of her students have now become successful funnel designers themselves. And now she even hires some of them in her agency. She already knows they're trained well because she trained them herself. And that's the power of online courses, my friend. When you package your expertise and your skills into an online course, you're not just growing your business, you're also multiplying your impact and are changing lives. So now the big question, where do you start? Let's break it all down in 4 simple steps. Step 1, figure out what you want to teach. Think about the biggest transformation that you provide in your services. What is the skill or service that you are so passionate to teach?
You ready for this?
Instead of covering everything, let's say, you can focus on a specific problem that your audience needs help with. For example, if you're a social media manager who's helping your clients create content and grow on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, all the other social media platforms, then you can actually choose to focus on just Instagram growth or maybe LinkedIn optimization in your online course. That way, your students will also not be info overloaded.
Nice.
Step 2, validate your course idea. Before creating your course, please make sure that there's demand. And you can do so by looking at your audience, looking at the breadcrumbs that are right around you. Do you already have people asking for your advice on a certain topic? Do you already have people DMing you, telling you that they can't really afford your services, but asking you, is there any way that they can actually DIY it and learn from you? You know, things like that are clues for your online course. So survey your audience, run polls, or even test the idea with a free workshop, a free live stream. The thing is, your course topic angle will really truly depend on the specific problems that your audience has. And so make sure that you do a market research to get clear on what your audience's problems are and how your course can be a solution to those problems. If you're curious on how to do market research and you want to get resources on that, then feel free to check out my video here. Step 3, open a waitlist. Once you've validated your course idea, celebrate, and beyond that, start building excitement. And you can do so by creating a waitlist and beginning to talk about your course in all your social platforms. This helps gauge interest, and this will also give you a warm audience that are ready to buy once you have launched your course. Now, I also have a video teaching you how to create and set up a waitlist, so if you would like to check that out, you can click here. Step 4, Start creating your course. This is where a lot of people get stuck. They know what they want to teach, but they feel overwhelmed on how to put it all together. I've heard this time and time again.
Myrra, I don't really have the time. That's exactly why I want to create courses, is because I want to stop trading my time for money. So how can I even make time to create an online course if in the first place, I don't really have the time for that?
If that is you, then I've got you covered. We offer a course creation done for you intensive where we handle everything for you, from the strategy to course curriculum to design and to tech setup. This is so you can finally bring your course to life without the stress and overwhelm, and without you needing to spend hours on end just building your course. Now, if you're interested, check it out at myrrakate.com/services. The thing is, you don't really have to go through the course creation process like you're blindfolded anymore. And you don't even have to spend hours trying to DIY everything, because we're going to take over all of the course creation tasks for you, so that the only thing that you can focus on is recording your course lessons. That's it. So again, if that sounds good and you really truly want to build out your course, even if you lack the time, then check out our course creation done for you intensive at myrrakate.com/services. In that page, you can also even browse through our a la carte services in case you just need support and assistance on specific course creation tasks. I really don't want you to keep on procrastinating on the course idea that God has planted in your heart. There's a reason why you have a desire to create that online course. There's a reason why He has given you, He has entrusted you with that course idea. And I believe that there are people out there waiting for you to step up so that they can actually learn from you and you can actually help them transform their lives. And so I pray that you will not delay any longer. So tell me in the comments, what services do you offer, and have you ever thought of creating online courses so you can turn your expertise and skills into another income stream for your business? I'd love to hear your ideas. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might need it. It really helps support the channel and lets me keep creating content for you. So I appreciate it. Please do like, subscribe, and share. Watch this video next where I share my top course creation hacks that I've learned from almost 6 years of becoming an online course creator and strategist, helping experts and entrepreneurs create successful courses. So check that out here. That said, keep the faith and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video.